Hey guys, we are back. This is MRT Online news feed. Basically, we are showing you here live, and it's possible that you can make money online. And you be try all these and watch all these YouTube videos of how you can make money online. But this is just an educational video showing you that you definitely can make money online. So just pay attention to the details here. Um, so like in our other video, we said we was going to show you just step by step pros, not every step by step pros. So basically, what we have here is our script, and this is the post right here that we got. We got our title is optimized with keywords in there. Um, as you can see, the title is brief and with keywords in there. And let's click on it and let's go into this. Let's get it done. So up here we have um, a meta description right up here that tells the search engines about the site and a description of the site, what it's about. And we got here, you'll have to look that up. This is for no duplications anywhere on the site or on the web. This is a title that is telling the search engines, and you got Bootstrap on here. Bootstrap and CSS is for style sheet, the style of the site. And now we're looking at like the behind the scene, the front end and the back end of the page, and we'll show you the front end of the page, the web page. All right, right here we have the image right here of the content. We have the schema markup tags, which are in here. It has pretty brief details, and we have a scroll that goes by for the marquee, whatever it's called. As the automation that we had embedded into here, that has keyframes that allow it to scroll across the screen every 15 seconds, which we have embedded in there, which it outlines the CSS, the colors and the styles and the borders and all the descriptions and all that stuff, all the good stuff. Right here we have the H1 tags, which are important in SEO and ranking onto Google. Right here, as you see, image ID. This is a type of technique that we had created into the code that's going to, let me break it down. Okay, you're a blogger. Okay, we're a blogger, right? So we post, and sometimes we don't have time to go back and add images, add a title, or or just add images, period. Because you got to find images, you got to add them on there. So right here, basically, this updates weekly. So what I'm going to show you down here, we got 4 images that is going to select randomly from and post a new image to the web page, the blog post that is on automatically. So we don't have to keep putting images up there. It's going to change weekly. So it's going to work with the SEO, which SEO is going to take a month for it to rank and for the search engine to get it into the system and for people to see it all over the world. And that's the mechanism for that. Here we have the RS feed where this basically you could put anything in these brackets right here. This is a const RSS URL, which is telling the code that, okay, we pull and search from this entertainment night source, and we are using into this blog post, which is, this is already set up to take the keywords and to write the blog post, and not just breaking it down into sections and snippets and stuff like that. So it's whatever it's doing in this code that we have programming here to take the keywords, to take a feed, to add the evergreen um, look and appearance in there, and the images appearances in there. It will do. So it's like a robot. Whatever we reprogram and code it to do, it's going to do that. So right here, we have the cons image URL. Basically, what we like we said at the top, every week is pulling from here out of these 4 images, and it's going to update weekly with one of these images. So, like I said, we got evergreen. So this is a cons technique that I add in here because we use SEMrush, we use Google keywords, we use all that, Google Trends, we use all that, and to create to find our keywords and all that stuff. So basically, in this robotic code structure right here, what I'm telling is to make it evergreen long tail keywords, because those are the words that the keywords that you want. So we got keywords and we got evergreen keywords. So it's pulling from here, and is randomly selecting one of these keywords in here to fit into wherever the marquee or let's see. Let's scroll back up to the marquee. Wherever is going to put that into here. This scroll that goes by 15 seconds, in which we're going to preview all this when we get done before we publish it. So yeah, these are the evergreen long tail keywords. That's the keyword in itself. So wherever on the search engine, wherever the person is looking for, whether it's celebrity gossip, whether it's latest movies, whether it's TV show reviews, in that search category and in these keywords that are evergreen, that's going to last. You don't have to keep updating. So it can be updated and it lasts. So it's relevant and it lasts for a while. So you don't have to keep updating. So that's how this is setting up. This is set up. So yeah, so we got a keyword library that it randomly selects from. We got the functionality right here to see. As you can see, it updates weekly images, and it set a new date and the start of the year, wherever it does. And as you see, we programming it to function to get random keywords, and it random indexes them and does the math right here for the evergreen long tail keyword and the length. In return, it turns the keywords into a randomly selected index so we can extract the keywords, and it splits it, filters the words and word lengths, as you can see here in this functionality. And that functionality is to output into the marquee. So it updates the marquee right here. So we'll see where it says stay on top of entertainment trends and insight. So let's see where we can find this keyword into the code. See that? Stay on top of entertainment trends and insights and cons to get a random keyword. So let's see, can we find that in here? If that word is in here, let's see. We probably won't see it in here. It probably programmed to hide it so we can't see it. But wherever it is, it show up on there. All right, so basically that's our keyword. And right here, you see the snippets. The keywords are extracted item, which is going to appear in the titles, description, subscreen, string, where this will appear. So it's looking at the snippets. You understand that it's news item, We understand that the keywords are looking here. And as you can see, the enclosure and the enclosure links and the images are right there. And then you see the snippets and to learn more. So this functionality is legit. Yeah, it's complicated to comprehend, to learn, but this is what is going to make the most money. So we're going to show you how fast this works once we post it. So we got a script, right? So let's go ahead and we already got our label, right? So let's go ahead and preview and see how it looks. All right, so that's how it looks. And as you can see, it takes the keyword and put it right in there after that dash. Let's see that again. Let's see, can we find that? See, it says stay on top of entertainment trends and inside TV. I gotta see it again when it go by. Let's check it out so we can go and find that keyword into and see if it's working right. So shows renewals. So let's see. It said TV shows and renewals. Let's hit back and let's see, can we find it in TV shows and renewals? See, so it's working. Now we know that our code is working because we've seen it in the marquees. And we did see in the TV shows and renewals. So it's randomly selecting the keyword from here and putting it in there. So when people view that and they see that, or they typing in those keywords in the search bar in the engine, wherever on the internet, on Google and Google network, which is YouTube and wherever social media network that Google owns, and the keyword pops up in there, it knows where to trace back because this is where it's coming from. This is the source where it's coming from, and that's going to rank. So it'll probably move up 2, but maybe 3 or 1, somewhere in there if it's popular or not. So that's how it looks. Now let's preview, and it might shows another one. So each time a customer goes, it shows a different one. So now we see insights and celebrity endorsement. Now we scroll down, we see learn more. It is wrapping up. You see, so it's keeping everything into the content, focus on the main keyword and the title. And then you hit read more, you go to the either internal or externally, wherever it has of the source that it's coming from. So this is unique. This is evergreen, and it's extending off the keywords. And right here, as you see right here, every time a photo is into the feed, it will show. If it doesn't have a photo, it won't show. So that's what these are for right here. And as we scroll down, that's how that's done. Now we have check out our script, and that is working and it's functioning on its own. We don't have to touch it unless we want to update it with a different script. So let's go ahead and let's hit save, and let's go ahead and publish it. All right, so we publish it. Now this is your key step you want to do. You want to share it on all your social medias that you have it on. This is our social media, so we share this on to here. And once it's shared on there, we share it to the next social media, which is Twitter. We share it on all of our accounts. And you keep sharing it, and that's how you get your views. We're on all the social media, so we share on all the social medias. We do that, and we continue down the list. WordPress, we share on WordPress, even though we don't have a full WordPress. We're working on it, but that's what we do. We want to share on all this social media. So we did WordPress, we did that. I have Flipboard. Flipboard is another social media content site. We share that on there. And we also share it onto Pinterest, which we are also on. See, it has a photo. We select the photo that we want, and I have the category what I put mines on, and we put that on to entertainment news, and there it goes. It's up on there. All right, we come out of there. We're going to share it. We share it to Pinterest. We share it to X. Now we're going to share it to True, which is a new social media. Now that's on there. All right. Now, as we see, this is 0. These we did the same way that we did this one. As you see that, that's 0, right? Now we're going to refresh it in our browser. It automatically goes to 11. That means that's rich content. That's rich content. So now it went to 11. Let's check our status. We are 138, right? So now, as you see, that is already ranking. People are already seeing that. Let's see where it had been seen at. Let's see more about this. Okay, so it had been seen on Google.com. Yeah, people who are coming to the site, they see it. 8 people. It have been one person on Facebook, and you got others, right? We don't see other results yet, but that will trend on there. These are the browsers that people are on, and these are the operating system by page view, which people are using that are on. Big number. Uh, let's go to not our 7 days, but let's do our now, because this will show what we are on. 4 on Google.com. People are on there and other sites. And these are the operating system that we're on. This is the update version. 25 keywords. So 25 keywords were used. Search keywords. See? They show you the keywords that were used. And these are the states, Hong Kong, South Korea, and all that, which people are viewing that on. Okay, so that's on there. Let's take a look at how our other content did, what we did in the past by going to console. So we're going to type in Google Console. I'm going to show you how this is all come together. So when we use Google Console to analyze our site. We also use it to fix it. So we're gonna fix that later. But so basically, what we want to look at is the insights. How these sites been doing. As you see, we haven't been on here in a while, so but the numbers are still good since then. And you see people are staying on. That's the newest ones we have, and you look at the highest engaging ones we have, which people are going on. So let's dive deeper into that. 132 views, right? And total views. That's rich content. And let's look into the organic, which is social media, and unassigned, which is 14. So unassigned, I'm assuming that means not touching anything at all, allowing to do whatever it's want. And then you see that 43 minutes on there. And you see social media, they're on there 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So we're doing good on there. We're now on that. All right. So let's look at more trend. This is latest sports, which we're gonna do an update on our sports. Like again, the unsigned is right there, not touching it at all. So let's look at more. This is a recent one we did last month. It wasn't that high, but it did got some views. I'm trying to find a real good one to view. Now that's good. When you see 100%, that's real good. Okay, let's get out of there. Let's get out of here. Let's go to Google News Source. 14 total impressions for Google News. And they show you the links where they've been to and how many impressions. All right, so we've seen that, right? We have seen that. Let's get back onto here. And let's go back to our page and see that it went up from 11. So it said 11, right? So we still at 11. Let's see how much. Now, let's see how our earnings are doing. Now, with Blogger is good because you can connect with Google AdSense. Like I said before, this is a legit way how to make money. So, okay, you're not going to get rich, but this is where we at right here. Total from those 3 posts, 202. We got one more post to do, which we'll show you in the next video, which is sports. And we're going to clear that number. So this can continue going up or it can go down. It depends on. So thus far, this has changed. We're up. It's like the stock, it goes up, it goes down. Now, I just want to point out one more thing before we close this up. Now, if you have a vacation you want to plan, this is the good idea, for a vacation because you're going to earn extra money right here for a vacation or wherever you want to use it for the AdSense. But there you go. That's how you make money with this online scripting and using it with Google AdSense. This is a legit way how to make money. So right here, see how it says May? We gotta update that because that's the wrong date on there. So we gotta update this. And once we update it, you'll see the changes in there. It might go up one more. So it was at 53, right? So we updated that. So these are all the update ones we did today, which will these scripts right here will last for a maximum of 2 weeks or more. Depends on how often your source is updating, which is this right here, wherever it's coming from. So that's it. If you want to know how to make money, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates, and stay tuned for our next script posting and making money online with the sport post that we about to do on this site, on this blogger site.com. So please like and subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for updates.